are going to do the exercise 5, question 1. This is from your chapter 2 and the course book is 3. Fine. Let's read the statement first.
Okay, ma'am.
Mrs. Malhotra baked 3,754 chocolate chip biscuits and 2,615 oat biscuits. So which type of biscuit do you like most? Chocolate biscuit or oats biscuit?
Chocolate chip biscuits.
Okay. So she has already made more. She has made more. Biscuits for a bake sale. She wants to sell the biscuits. Mrs. Malhotra wants to sell the biscuits. So she has prepared or baked 3,754 chocolate chip biscuits and 2,615 oat biscuits. So how many biscuits did she bake altogether? Can you tell me what would we do in this question? Yes.
Ma'am, how can somebody bake so many biscuits?
Why can't? They would be having bakery.
Oh.
Within bakery, thousands and lakhs of biscuits can be prepared at one go.
Oh.
They have large ovens which fill the whole room, and in one go they can bake so many biscuits.
Okay.
So first, what will we do? We will make Barun. I hope you have understood the problem.
Yeah.
There are chocolate chip biscuits. Let's make it chocolate chip biscuits. These are chocolate chips, and she had made oats biscuit, plain oats biscuits. Okay. So there are 3,754 chocolate chip biscuits and 2,615 oat biscuit. What we are supposed to do? We have to count how many she had baked all together. We will add this up. Okay, let's solve this problem. First, we will create bar model. So first we will see chocolate chip biscuit. Tell me how many are they? How many are they? Chocolate chip biscuits?
3,754.
3,754. And oats biscuits?
2,615.
Yes. It's smaller than this number. So we will draw our graph little bit shorter. 2,650. What we are supposed to do? How many she had baked all together. Now we have to add them up. So let's solve the problem. Total biscuits. What we have to do? We have to check how many total biscuits she has baked. So this is chocolate chip biscuit 3,754 and 2,615 oats biscuit. So we have to tell how many they have all together. Now what will we do? 3,754 plus 2,615. Let's add this up. 4 plus 5.
9.
5 plus 1.
6.
7 plus 6.
13.
Very nice. 1 will be carried over.
6.
Yes, very nice. So how many total biscuits she has baked? 6,369.
6,369.
Okay. Now let's check our answer. What will we do while checking the answer? From the total one, we will deduct any one of these. We will get the second number.
Delete the odd biscuit.
Okay. 6,369 minus 2,615. 9 minus 5? 4. 6 minus 1?
5.
So 3 is the smaller number than 6. What would we borrow? We would borrow. This would be 5 and this would be 13. 13 minus 6? Just 7. Very nice. And 5 minus 2? 3. So our answer is right. So this is 3,754. Our answer is correct. Here also we have the same number and here also we have the same number. So my answer is correct. My answer is correct. Now I will erase it and you will solve this on your own. Let's read the statement first. A farmer picked 2,608 apples from his farm and 254 are rotten. So how many of the apples picked were not rotten? So there are three things. He had total apples and some were rotten, and we have to tell how many were not rotten. Fine. For example, I have 5 apples and 2 are rotten. How many are rotten? 2. So how many are not rotten? 3. So here the number is big enough. That's it. Otherwise, the way we will solve it would remain same. Let's see. First, we will draw a bar model. We will draw some bars. Apples, 2,608. 2,608. And how many apples are rotten? Rotten apples.
254 of these apples
Yes,
are
for
rotten.
example, this much amount is rotten and this one is not rotten. So I will draw another bar model for it. 254. 254. So this much quantity is not rotten. This is not rotten and this is rotten. Okay, got it? This much, out of this much is rotten and this much is not rotten. We have to calculate this only. Let's solve it. How will we solve it? What would we do? We will subtract this number from this whole number. So this, if this is the whole number, this would be part and this would be second part. We have to tell the second part. Like suppose we have this number 2,608 and one number is 254. What would be the second number? So how would we get it? We will subtract this from this. Okay, then we will be able to tell the second part. Let's do it.
Yes.
Apples not rotten. So what would we do? 2,608 minus 254. 254. Okay, 8 minus 4. So here what would it be? The number 10 and here we would be 5. Here is 5. 5 minus 2. 3, 2. 2,354 apples were not rotten. So this was the answer for apples not rotten. Now let's check. Now we have two things, rotten apples and the apples that are not rotten. If we add these two numbers, we will get the total apples. Here, how much we have got? 2,354. If we will add these two, we will get our whole number. We will get our whole number, we will get the total apples. Let's do it. 2,354 plus 254. 4 plus 4. 5 plus 5. 1 is carried over. 6. And here 2. So the number is same. 2,608 and here also 2,608. So your answer is correct? Yes. My answer is correct. Understood the concept and the question?
Yes.
Okay, now do it into your notebooks.